Doing It in the Kitchen is back with another bomb-ass recipe. This time it's shredded beef tostadas. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so for this recipe, you're gonna need chuck roast, some dried chilies. We've got California, New Mexico, and Arbol. We've got some tomatoes, a couple cloves of garlic, some peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, about 1/4 of an onion, some canned beans, and tostadas. For the topping for your tostadas, you're gonna need some shredded cabbage, some of your favorite cheese. This is cotija, salsa, and sour cream. Okay, so the first thing we wanna do is get our meat going. So we're gonna boil the meat so that we can shred it. Okay, to that I'm gonna add some water. Throw in our 2 bay leaves, our onion, our peppercorns, our garlic cloves. We're also going to do salt, again a good amount. We want the meat to be seasoned well. I'm going to pop the lid on that. So I'm going to put that on a medium heat and let it boil. We'll check it in about an hour and a half. So while the meat is boiling, we want to start on our chilies. So to a pot, we're going to put all of our dried chilies. The lid on, set it on low to boil. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. The chilies and tomatoes are done, so we're just going to put them in the blender and blend them all up. To this, I'm just going to add some salt. And blend it right up. Alright guys, so this meat has been cooking for about 2 hours now, so it should be ready. It's gonna cook in the sauce longer, so as long as you're able to shred it, and it's good to go. We're gonna take our meat out. We're gonna set that aside. And then because we're gonna make our chili in this same pot with the broth, we wanna make sure we take out all the little bits. We're gonna get a strainer and we're gonna add our chili. And just get something that you can kind of move the chili around in until all we're left with are the the skin and seeds because we don't want that in our meat, in our broth. So at this point, you're left with just a lot of the skin and seeds, which is what we wanted. So now we're gonna let this sauce simmer on low while we shred the meat. But at this point, you do want to check it for salt. So while we shred the meat, we're gonna start on the beans. So you just want to turn the pot on like a medium heat, and you could also put a little bit of oil and fry a jalapeno first. Gives it more flavor, but since my son will be eating, I don't want it to be too spicy, so I'm not going to do that this time. So just put your beans in. And I don't dump any of the juice because since these are tostadas, we kind of want the beans to be a little bit runny because you smear it on the tortilla. So you don't want it to be too thick. So we'll just pop a lid on those and let them cook for about 20-30 minutes on a medium heat. Now that we have our meat shredded, we're gonna add it to our sauce. Simmer in the sauce for about 20 minutes just so it soaks up all that good flavor. And then to the beans, we're gonna add some shredded cheese. This is a Mexican blend. You can use cheddar, jack, whatever you like. Good amount, we're not stingy here. And there you have it, guys. Delicious shredded beef tostada.